When equipped, satellite radio may be accessed from radio mode by pressing Radio Sat, which will toggle between FM, AM, and satellite. The top screen displays the channel name, its category, and the satellite preset stations group. When music is played, the lower screen will identify the artist or the song name. Press the icon to cycle between the two. To select a station by category, press Cat, then the desired category. Pressing the Seek buttons will move between channels. There are 3 satellite screens: Sat1, Sat2, Sat3. Each has 6 icons available for presets. To create a preset station, press and hold the selected icon. Press the preset icon you'd like to listen to. To find a preset on another band, press Sat1 or Sat2. To select a station by its station number, select Sat Options. Press Direct Channel Input to bring up the keypad. Enter the station number, then OK.